Hi, my name is Colton and I will be teaching you how to do logs. So before we get into actually doing the logs, we need to think about the rules. So one of the rules is that you can't log with other numbers. So we like to use this thing that compares it to a tree. So if this right here is your exponent, and you were to log this tree would fall on these people. And these people had weird parents, so their name is number 1 and number 2. So in order to log this exponent, we need to get these people away. So when we have these people away, then we can log. So an example problem of this would be 426 parentheses 0.19 raised to the x power minus 10 equals 8,000. Now, following PEMDAS, the first thing we would do would be add 10 to be 8,010. So we would end up with 426 parentheses 0.19 parentheses raised to the x equals 8,010. Now, our next step would be to divide by 426. 426. So you'd be left with 0.19 parentheses x equals 18.8028169. Now the reason this number is so long is because we do not round. That is a big thing. You may round for your answer, but not for the end. So now that we have this, we don't need the parentheses anymore. So it can be 0.19x equals, and I'm just going to do an arrow because I don't want to write that again. So now that we have this, we can log it. So it would be log of 0.19x equals 18.8028169 logged. Sorry, gotta put the log in front. So we can use the log-ride law. So it's x times log 0.19 equals the log of 8.8028169. Now we can divide by log 0.19 and divide by log 0.19, and these will cancel out, and we can have x equals, and we'll get our final answer of 1.76. Okay, so the second part of the extra credit was talking about how the videos went. I thought they went great. There was a few times where I struggled a little bit and I didn't know what I was doing, but just a quick Google search helped me figure out what I was missing. The next thing is the homework. I thought the homework, it was hard, and I definitely had to use Slater sometimes to see like how the problem was working out. But I mean, it wasn't horrible. The struggles sometimes were like it was a different problem than what you showed, and I had to work my way through it and try and figure it out, but it wasn't super horrible. The other thing is how school is going and how I'm going to deal with the transition. I don't like it. I would rather just be in person and learning. That's how I learn best. And I just plan on keeping on for the transition. It's going to be what it's going to be, and I might as well get used to it. A good thing in my life is that right now we're on a little break from wrestling, so I don't have to worry about cutting weight. But just today I got a mention for all conference for football. So I'm an honorable mention as an all conference lineman.